And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the technical and tactical analysis, is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Vålerenga versus Atletico Tucumán.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
This is the lineup for the home team.
Well, 4-4-2 is a good formation if it's played well. It covers most of the bases defensively, and if you can then rotate your positions when you regain possession, you can also be fluid in attack. Let's hope we see that today.
Let's have a look at the initial 11 for the visitors.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 formation with a centre forward and two wingers. So it's important that the midfield players give support to the striker whenever the ball goes wide. They can't allow him to be isolated.
And the match begins. Strong but fair tackle. Now that pass easy on the eye. Now he's got to stay calm. Oh, moving the ball impressively. Opportunity it is. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Who can he pick out? Could be threatening. Excellent passing. Oh, but they've lost it now. And Moreira on the ball. Well-timed tackle. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Oh, moving it nicely. Really important piece of last-ditch defending. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. How about the cross? Decent position. Promising possession, this. A super tackle, and they've won possession. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. He's in with a chance. Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a good save that is.
Who can they pick out? Well, not quite the corner he had in mind. Goalkeeper has it. Committed challenge. Well, he didn't miss by all that much.
Well, he struck it quite nicely, but the keeper was always in control of the situation. He knew that was going wide.
Pass after pass, keeping their opponents moving. Moving the ball effectively. Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. Bodies forward and the break looks on. They need to get bodies back. Might be onto something with that ball. Not to be advised giving the ball away in that position. Will it happen for them? Cuts it back. Still passing it around with authority. You can't really tackle like that and expect to get away with it. Booking to come, you would think. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
And a good-looking ball. Oh, he's blocked it! Promising attack, but his timing was off. Sese. Moreira.
Well, those stats tell you everything. A tight and cagey game without enough goal-mouth action. Both teams need to get more players forward if they're to pose a real threat.
Read it well. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have one additional minute. And fed forwards. Oh, showing excellent vision. And a goal! 1-0 it is. They've been pushing for the opener, and now they have it.
Well, here's the replay, and as you can see, this is almost perfect. Lots of curl and enough pace on it. The keeper had no chance.
The first half here comes to an end. Well, truth be told, he's only had a very limited influence on this game, Stuart.
Well, as you can see, he just hasn't had enough touches in the key areas, and that's one of the reasons they're losing this game at the moment.
And the match begins. Opportunity it is. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Well, it was completely miscontrolled. Having won the ball back, they might be able to profit. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. That's all they can conjure for now. He's very adept at protecting the ball. And it's a quality pass. Great opportunity. Well, flinging himself at it. Well, both teams have had substitutes swarming up, and now both will rely on their respective benches. Over it comes. Struggling to get it away. It might be on for them. The cross is on. And he read it well defensively. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Well, lovely work to get past his man. Well, they continue their push for the equaliser, but definitely not forcing it. And a goal! The equaliser! Superb entertainment!
Well, it's a goal you'd expect him to score, but he kept his cool and he put it away nicely. He'll be happy with that.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Well, it's one pass after another. They couldn't maintain possession. On the offensive. And a tidy ball. And players waiting in the centre. And attempting the through ball. Oh, moment of pure class! Had to catch it perfectly, and didn't he just?
Just look at this again. The combination play in the top third of the field was so precise, and the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Moreira. Well, they've lost the ball. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Can he put it away? Wonderful chance. And the keeper diving to thwart it. Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Keen to take it short here. Just cutting off the supply. He's in here. Terrific save.
Well, that's a top-class save. He read it so well.
Well, the referee took note of the earlier incident and now issues the yellow card. And a short corner, let's see. Now possibilities here. Pulls it back. Now a decent position. This could be it. And it is. He's done it. Surely a case of game over.
Well, we won't get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1. And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. And a chance for him on the flank. And the cross into the middle. Well, the keeper wasn't fooled by it at all, in actual fact. And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Well, Derek, they were certainly off the pace today. Beaten to the ball in too many key areas. They need to refocus now and perform better next time out.
Well, we're highlighting him for a reason, Stuart. He's put in a really authoritative performance here.
Well, I have to say, that was impressive. Not just his goals, but his all-round play. He was excellent.
Opportunity it is.